Listen to a beautiful people. Welcome back. Every time we order online, we always give some opinion, suggestion, or comment right to the product that we buy. So, for today's video, we do a review or feedback to the items that I've ordered on AliExpress. So, let's open. This is a fashionable tattoo. It is temporary. Based on my experience, guys, it lasts 1 to 2 weeks in your skin. This tattoo stickers is waterproof. It is fake, a little bit realistic, semi-permanent on your skin. You can see, guys, there's many designs that you can choose. It was super stylish. You can see here with different coats, designs, and different fonts. Don't worry guys, it is super safe to use because it's made of pure herbal. It means that the content of the product is organic. So it's super safe. You can put this sticker tattoo in any part of your body, but for me, I love putting it on my chest because it looks charismatic to the person. Plus the design is kinda cute and mesmerizing. It's gave more attractive to someone. This is a fashionable tattoo. It is temporary. Based on my experience, guys, it lasts 1 to 2 weeks. At the back of the tattoo here, there's user guide on how to paste this temporary tattoo correctly and method on how to make the pattern completely beautiful. Keep in mind guys, if possible, please avoid the filthy rubbing because it will fade your tattoo quickly. It should be noted guys, so always keep in mind. This is the product guys, how it looks when you put in your body. You can find it on AliExpress. If you want to be on trend for this year's, you can check this or order on AliExpress and super cheap price for as low as 33 cents. Super big savings during their event season. If you want to avail more, just click the link and description video. And don't hesitate to check and download AliExpress on application store now.